Hi, this is Jeremy the Tall Trainer, and I'm here with Bo and Sarah, and they're having a little bit of fun right now about how tall I am. Go ahead, come on now. Come on. So what we're going to do is we're going to test a little bit of measurement error today. So we're going to take a box of cereal here, just kind of just a generic cereal that we picked up, and just in case I think we feel like a lot of people may get these ones wrong. They may just feel like, I can estimate a serving size really good. And so we're going to test if we can estimate a serving size really good. What we're going to do is we're going to fill up this large bowl here with a serving. We're going to try to pour the same amount into the small bowl. So we're actually going to test two things at one time here. We're going to test to see if we can get a serving in the large bowl, and we're going to also test to see how close we can get these two bowls to have the same amount in them, and which one has the most. So, now normally you don't try to have that where your participants know what's being tested, because sometimes that messes things up, but we're just going to see how this turns out. So, Bo, you do the honors.
Okay.
Don't look at it.
I have to say how many servings, right? One serving is 3/4 a cup I have to pour in. One serving, 3/4 cup. Ooh, ice cream chicken. Yeah.
All right.
And here too.
Go ahead. Yeah, hit your second dish there.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Now I'm going to go for my big bowl here. If I do what a serving size normally looks like to me, it might be a lot more. So I'm going to try that. Try that here. And that actually looks like a really small amount to me. So that's going to be. So I may have underestimated. We'll see. I'm gonna try that there for my second dish. Now Sarah's gonna go. Oh, she's looking at ours to find out. That's cheating.
Oh, man.
That's cheating. Just look at your own
I'm
bowl.
just gonna go a little less.
$1.
All right. So we know on here that a serving size is 32 grams. So what we're gonna use this empty bowl as our tare weight here. So we're going to zero it out with the big bowl on there. Now, is Bo above or below?
Are you sure all these bowls are exactly 32 grams?
They're pretty close. They're pretty close. So is Bo above or below 32? Bo.
Wow.
He is at 35 grams.
Nice.
Pretty close.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good job. It's pretty good job. Now we're going to check.
I bet this one's even closer.
We're going to.
We gotta zero that out. No.
Yeah, we'll do all the big ones first.
Gotcha.
So, now my turn. Above or below?
Above.
Getting on above. I poured a lot there.
4 grams.
Maybe some got a little messed up with it. We'll re-zero this just to make sure. I did really good. I poured well.
I wish. That's 4 grams.
It's 40.
They don't all weigh the same.
I thought it was 41 from this angle, but I can't.
Wait, here. Pour your cereal into this bowl.
Alright, let's retest Bo. Bo's right. They may weigh actually different amounts. Okay, his came out about the same now.
Well, now.
So this is the actual bowl. We'll put that back in. Alright, now we'll check. I had some sort of light bowl. I had 38 grams. So then we'll pour this out and we'll get Sarah's here.
Uh-oh.
I think she may have done the best here. We'll see.
I'm thinking. Ooh.
30 grams.
But I didn't go over, so I
grams.
win.
Yeah, that's Price is Right rules. Sarah won. And weight loss. Sarah would have won right there. So that's what we got there. Now we'll check. I guess we'll have to do the pour method here, just because I just assumed they were about the same. You're right, Bo. I was not on with that one. Okay, so now we have the small dish here. So we're zeroed out. So we're gonna take Bo's amount here. I'm gonna pour it in the small dish, and we're gonna check.
25. Wow.
24. Well, we'll give you 25. 25 grams in the small one. So now I'll pour that back into Bo's. Here's the tester one here. I'll pour mine. I think I got more. I think. Let's see.
31.
31. Oh, that's almost
pretty good.
spot on.
Oh, I'm gonna be under.
All right. And then Sarah's. Oh, put that one back in.
That one. Yeah.
I'll leave that out. 27 grams. Now we learned something here. One, we're pretty good. That's one thing we learned. But we're actually pretty close there. So we put a little bit more, except for Sarah, into our larger bowl, and we put a lot less, quite a bit, into our smaller dish. So especially when we're pouring things, you want to try to get your dish as close to the serving size amount as possible. So that way you don't have a bowl that looks like it hardly has anything in it. And because what you're going to end up doing is Bo and I were both off by at least 7 grams, which is, around 20% that we were off at least. So, and over the course of your entire nutrition plan, if you're off 20%, that's going to end up being, several hundred calories. Or maybe 100 to 200 calories probably is going to be about your 20%. But that's going to equal 1 or 2 pounds extra a month you could have lost. So kind of comparing the dish size and our measuring abilities there, we did pretty good. Very nice. And these are personal trainers. We know serving. So you might be off a little bit more. So check your measurements and use the right dishes. So this is a tall trainer saying, check your measurements and use the right dishes.